YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Yo, this is different than my other videos. Why? One, I'm sitting down. I just got off. I'm exhausted. Two, I got a whole bunch of packages in the mail. So let's talk about it. So the first package I got is from Juice Baby. Once again, that's Juice Baby. Go ahead and check them out online. This is what I like to call a sweatshirt / hoodie. Looks pretty nice. I'm pretty sure you're gonna see this in some videos. The second thing I got was also from Juice Baby. Make sure y'all go check out juicebaby.com. But I'm gonna open this one because I seen something that caught the eye. Yo. Do you see the branding? They got a capture code on the back with detailed instructions. Juicebaby.com or apparel. My fault. I'm looking at it, trying to look at the camera. Y'all know how I go. But let's look at it fully. This is nice. Is that vinyl or transfer? The professionalism, hands down, is there. Right down to the neck tag. The second box I'm gonna unbox is from SQRRRLPRINTZ. Once again, that's SQRRRLPRINTZ. Shout out to you, SP Poke. I see you over there doing your thing. And I love how you branded the box. Hold on, I have to cover up my address. Black-owned businesses with the SQRRRLPRINTZ stickers. Our actual packaging tape. Let's open it. We'll try to open it. Handy dandy weeder. I knew silhouette weeders were good for something. I'm like a kid around Christmas time. I just can't wait to get into the package. Oh, hold on, there's more. All right, so you see that? These brands are paying attention to detail. I would hope that you do the same if you're starting to brand yourself. So I got two packages, and I'm gonna open them right here, right now for you guys. And once again, this is SQRRRLPRINTZ / SP Poke. Shout out to you. First one is a shirt. Look at that packaging, y'all. You see it? Set this down just so I can get the full vision of this. And yo, check that out. That was a cold Kobe shirt. Tell me it wasn't. And I got a hat. Also, courtesy of, where's my little, make sure y'all go visit. I seen this one actually on our squad page. Shouts out to the squad. We appreciate everybody. Each and every one of you are a valuable constituent of the squad. Okay, a little snapback with some stickers. She ain't playing with that branding, y'all. I'm telling you. Branding is the key. It should follow you wherever you go. And if you want to stick the sticker, let's say in a bathroom stall, I don't know why, someone else seen this, hey, that's free promotion. Whoa, wait a minute. Okay, gotta be delicate with such things like this. There's a pen. Do y'all see that? There's a pen. And this is a Kobe hat, the 824. It says on the side, great things come from hard work and perseverance. And on the opposite side, it just says Kobe Bryant. But y'all, the craftsmanship that went into this, hands down. All on the back, no excuses. Point blank, period. Get to the bag, y'all. Yo. Flawless 615. Make sure y'all go hit him up. My homeboy sent me some custom DTF prints. What's all the craze about DTF? I don't know. We're gonna find out. If I can get this open. Sorry, Anthony. I am butchering the packaging. But y'all go follow 615 or hit Anthony Alexander up in the squad. Another squad constituent. I salute and appreciate you, my brother. It's well packaged. Uh-oh. Couple prints up in here. Hold on now. So, I'm not going to pull it all the way out, and I don't want you guys to have my address. So I'm just going to pull a couple out so you can see what I see. All right. Oh, the backing. Okay, that's what they were talking about. And here it is. Not your average gritter. Yo! This is where you're about to hear some growling. I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Yeah, that's gonna be a hard t-shirt right there. And once again, I haven't tried DTF out yet. I'm getting ready to get into it. I'm gonna do a couple videos over it, and I'm gonna explain exactly what my opinions are on it. You know, my reviews. Some of y'all might not know this company. This is handmade by Toya, and she does all types of transfers. So let's just see what I got in this package. It's pretty bulky. Okay. Professionally wrapped. I appreciate you, Handmade by Toya. Gives me a breakdown. And we're not going to show that page. It's got personal info on there. But we will show some of the transfers that I did get. See if you guys can see them. Set it off. That's from the back. Now I'm going to turn it around so you can see it. And these are transfers that you put onto a shirt. I think I got like 20 of these, the set it off ones. I'll show another one real quick. The Black Queen, which y'all seen. And I got the Black King. Hold on, I'm just trying to look for another one. I gotta get to this last package. Let's see what else I got. Is this the same one? Oh no, this is the Boys in the Hood. And I'm not sure what type of print this is. I'm not sure if it's a DTF, if it's like some type of pressure color. You know, I haven't did my due diligence, but I guarantee you I will get to the bottom of these transfers. So a lot of people have asked, Mike, where do you get your varsity coat? How did you get that design on? I have a link down in the description of Heat Transfer Warehouse. Hit that link. It'll take you directly to the clothing. I'm going to show you what I just got for up and coming Grizzly Custom. Now, I got two of these, and what they are varsity jackets. Of course, in that grizzly blue with the gray. What you think, y'all? Chanel patch it out? Grizzly bear it out? Same thoughts. Hey, yo, I appreciate everybody that sent me a package. And support. You know, a small company that's getting ready to rise, you can say, hey, I contributed to that company's success. And be happy at the end of the day that you spent your hard-earned dollar on someone that took the time, the care, the appreciation, and love to get you that package out. But you know, a YouTube video is not a YouTube video without me shouting out some of the squad constituents and some of the T-gang. So let's get into it. You know I gotta scroll. It's my infamous phone scroll. So the first one we're gonna shout out is Yandy Smith. We appreciate you joining the squad, Yandy Smith. Keep contributing, keep liking posts, and most importantly, keep being great. JP Simon. He's out of the Maslin area, and I personally know this guy. He owns a full print shop / embroidery shop, and he's doing it on a bigger level. I salute you, JP Simon. Keep being great. I'm not a Maslin Tigers fan, though. I just gotta keep it real. And last, but definitely not the least, y'all done seen it. I done posted numerous of pics. I share, I get involved, and I spend money with her on the daily. Tracy Foster, aka Sister Soul Food. We appreciate you being a part of the squad. Your contributions, and hands down, that food. You know, packs a little punch, a little weight, but hey, it's worth it. I salute you, Tracy Foster. Thanks for being a squad constituent. Yo, make sure y'all go check out some of the people that I've unboxed today. Flawless 615, that's Anthony Alexander. SQRRLPRINTZ, aka SP Poke. Handmade by Toya, which was the transfers that I got. And also hit the affiliate links down below if you would like to grab some of the products that I've grabbed. But until next time, y'all, I'm